having a fly.
Are you getting married today?
In about 2 hours' time.
Oh, you are a star. Let me shake your hand. Good luck, yeah?
You don't need luck.
Deep condemning.
Have a good flight.
On a plane I've never flown before.
So this is Dave Franks. Would you believe he's actually getting married today?
It doesn't need more power because it's overpowered with the When you land it, Paul? Not yet.
Want to go animal? Yeah. You alright? Yeah.
Well, he's downwind anyway, so he ain't going to crash into the reverse.
This will take Dave's mind off the fact he's getting married in a few hours.
Did you fly your jet on your wedding day?
No, I didn't.
Darren?
No, I wouldn't do that.
I flew
I wouldn't do that.
I flew helicopters, ducked your fan.
On your wedding day?
On my wedding day, in Scotland, in November. To the point that I nearly went to the wedding because the flying club's about an hour away from where I was getting married.
And
they were like, aren't you up here to get married? I went, yeah, today. And they went, when? I went 3 o'clock and they went, you better get going.
You're still with the same lady?
Yeah, yeah.
When you open it up, open these. Jason, you're getting married in August, aren't you?
Yeah.
You to go fly RC on your wedding day?
I doubt it, no.
Would your missus mind?
might be filing for divorce on the same day.
My Joker,
Looking sharp, Steve.
Hello, mate.
Hello. You going somewhere special today?
I just come here, mate. Thought I'd make the effort for once. Apparently, I look like a weatherman.
Looking good.
Bastard. Thanks, mate.
Presenting as much aeroplane to the impact as you can.
You've got to land it.
I can say you've got to land it. Now, just don't stuff my wings, which is not distracting.
Couldn't make it. We wanted you to.
Look good in slow mo.
I was like, who's
Darren, do you want to get on either side of the jet with Dave?
Come on. And you, the weatherman.
Sylvia's good seeing you and you fucking arsehole. I am full cash, right?
No, you want to get that change.
Good luck, Dave.
Thank you, sir.
Cheers. Have fun.
Time for a
Yeah.
point, I
All
think.
the best. Certainly will when the speech is done.
All right, Darren. Cheers, Darren.
Take care, mate.
Cheers, Steve. Good to see you. Take care. See ya.